Good morning, guys! Happy Wednesday! Today is April 26. Mag-grocery tayo and si Jan, kanina pa kami nitay. Come on! Zach, come on! Tingnan niyo yung OOTD ni Holly. Say good morning, Baba!
Morning!
Good morning! Ayan yung OOTD niya. Ito yung nabili namin na terno. Terno. Itong co-ord sa Target. Ayan si Zach. Ayan. Okay, let's go. Si Kuya hindi sasama. Si Zach sasama. Ayan na yung ating shopping bags. I'll put this one to Han kasi isa sa uli natin. Ito, can you put this?
Just put it there, I won't follow you, mate.
You think so? Are you sure? Alright, see ya. Love you.
The government to greenlight the move they say will ease hip pocket pain as the cost of living grows. Pharmacist Maura Horton says people are delaying the vaccination appointment in the meantime.
See you back. Okay, dito na tayo sa town. You're right, Ollie. Ka-shades na siya. Look at me, Baba. Ka-shades na siya. Wait for me. Kinuha ko lang yung sasauli or papalitan natin sa Kmart. Wanna hold it, Baba? Okay. Tanggalin niya lang daw yung shades niya. You're good? Dito na pala kayo sa may Kmart. Kakain muna kayo ng lunch. Kasi anong oras na? 11 na ata. 10:35 ang aga natin. 10:35. You're good? Alright. Ito yung bagong ano nila, oh, shop dito. Mayroon na tayong Lovisa dito sa Mount Gambier. Hinati kasi malaki to. Dati ano mga DVDs ang binibenta dyan. Tapos ito hindi pa tapos. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin nila dyan. But yeah, may Lovisa na tayo. Order na pala kami. And sa Wendy's kami kumuha ng early lunch namin. Kasi 10:35 pa lang or 10:40. Kanina 10:35. And si Sak gusto niya ng sushi. Sabi ko this time, wag muna siya mag-sushi. Kasi baka this week gawan ko na siya. I know, lumalabas kami yung lagi ino-order niya. Sabi ko mag-hotdog naman siya kasi dati favorite niyang hotdog. Kaya ang tagal niya hindi nakapag-hotdog. Sabi ko mag-hotdog ka ngayon, wag na sushi. Gawa na lang kita. And what did you say about your clothes? Kasi ito yung suit niya kahapon nung nung hinatid namin si Holly sa dancing. Sabi ko, bakit yan ang suot mo ulit? Sabi niya, only few hours lang daw niya ito sinuot. Siguro mga, yun lang, yung pag pag punta dito sa taong kagabi, mga 5 o'clock. Zach, nahiya siya. Sabi niya, okay lang yun, ma'am. Sabi ko, ikaw bahala. Uy, Zachy. Ayaw, nahiya siya ipakita. Na-realize niya na same yung damit niya. Tapos sabi ko, bakit di ka nagpalit? Kasi sabi niya, only few hours lang, ma'am, kung siya sinuot. Hindi pa siya madumi. It's not dirty, sa? Uy, ha? It's not dirty? Uy, look at them. It's not dirty. Nahiya siya. Binata lang si Sak, nahiya na siya. In order pa pala ako, ito yung ano to guys, yung flaky fudge na talaga ang may dessert. I-share ko to sa kanila naman. Pero malaki siya, ha? Tapos na kaming kumain and eto parang hindi namin kayang ubusin. Sobrang tamis. And chidan, natuluan tayo ng syrup. Okay. Punta muna tayo ng Kmart kasi nga yan, i-return natin siya kasi ayaw niyang masarap. Sayang talaga nito. Nalagay niyo sa bin. Guys, dito kami sa Kmart and ginawa ko yung bakit uhaw ba yun? Dito sa Kmart. Panoorin niyo sa TikTok, guys. Ayan, si Holly. What? Ito si Sak. Habang ginagawa namin yung TikTok ni Holly, si Sak naglibot-libot and ayan, may gusto siya. So, where are we gonna put that one?
On the door.
Which door?
It could be ours.
Our door?
In the bedroom. Or put in.
Are you sure? No, I don't think so. So we're gonna put that in your door?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. You already got one. Remember what happened?
No, that one wasn't the one. This one's not the same. Yeah, it's not the same.
Oh, whatever, Holly.
It wasn't. This one's not fair.
So that's for the door.
Yeah, I know it doesn't fit. But we're putting it.
Okay, wait lang guys. What? Something small, hindi to. Kasi masisira ang door namin. Masisira ang door na. Binigyan na siya niya ni Tita Kate at saka ni Tito Neil. Yung sa trampoline linagay, wala na. Okay, let's go. We're gonna return that one and we're gonna go grocery. So, dito ulit tayo. I-check natin na siguradong nagsasara siya.
These are so.
Yeah, no. Put it back because we have to return that.
What?
We're just gonna get one to exchange. Ang tigas talaga. Alright, okay. Let's get another one. So we got two. The other one we're gonna return and we're just gonna pay one.
One for free.
Yeah, not for free.
Yeah.
Just return.
You already paid.
Yeah. But it's not free because we pay for that one. What you got? Bubble gum.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, let me see. What you got, Zach? How about Kuya TJ?
Oh, shoot, he'll be in that.
Go get one for Kuya.
Green, and I got pink, and Chris got blue.
Okay. Hi. Nabayaran na namin yung kinuha nilang lollies at saka yung isang container. Pero yung eto, dito raw to sa service papapalitan or exchange yung sira. So, can you put this one there, please? Thank you. Alright, we're done. Napalitan natin. We're going to Coles now. Let's go. Coles na tayo, guys. Yan yung dalawa.
Oh my god.
Inano na nila. Inopen na nila yung kinuha nilang bubble gum na may machine. Si Holly. Okay, put your seatbelt, Baba, because we're going to Coles. Coles na tayo, guys. Nauna yung dalawa. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Reminder ko siya. Okay, let's go. Sarap ng grapes.
You never got a box swap.
Yeah, this is new packaging. Pero sobrang sarap ng kanyang grapes, yung matigas na crunchy.
Last time we need to get coffee.
Yeah, we got two. Pili tayo. Yeah. Get the big one. Yeah. So can you open that one, please? This one. Raspberries. Pili tayo kasi ito mabilis tumabulok. Pa tayo ng blueberries. Yours? Cold? The floor? Dagdagan natin. Sobrang sarap ng grapes. Patay ng apple. This one, Baba. Ako na. You want this, Jazz? Tayo ng rock melon na kalahati. Where's me? Give it to Kuya Sak, please. And kalahati nito, honeydew. Okay, thank you. Don't drop. Okay, slowly. Good girl. Huh? Broke. that one. This one. Hilaw pa mga bananas. This one, baby. Okay. Baba. You want orange? Look at you. Is that the new fashion?
Yeah. I like when you hair too.
Oh no, this is not good. You like this? Kuha ko ng isang buo nito din na cauliflower. Alisan na natin ito.
Cauliflower, that's what I want in my steak.
Open it, baby. Okay. Oh. And broccoli. Baba, get me bag, please.
Broccoli, my favorite thing. Mom.
This one?
Yes. I'll get more of that.
No, just put it up, Zach.
We need 4. I'll just get 5.
Okay. What do you want? Salmon. Coming fresh na is the... Hi, can I get salmon please? Salmon with skin on. Bacon. Thank you. Okay, salmon. natin ayusin kasi kailangan natin kumain ng tubig. Star? Okay, get that 5 star. Okay. Yeah, 5 star. No, I'm sure it's alright.
Is it always like that?
Yeah. Okay. Put this one. Put that here. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. Alright. I need eggs. I need eggs. What? Nasa uling vinegar? Oh. Yeah. We need eggs. Check natin muna. What are you looking for, Zaki?
Oh, Mama.
What?
Is it spicy?
Yeah. Hinanap ko yung sushi rice. Yung Japanese rice.
Is it like really?
Ito na yung rice. Ano kunin natin? Ito glutinous rice to eh. Ito sushi rice. Grabe, naka-vacuum siya. Sobra asing grabe yung higpit ng pagka-vacuum nito. What? Oh no. Here. Pwede na ako ng glutinous rice para sa ating biko. Seaweed, I still have that one. Yes, I do have. I still have that one, Sag. Yes, I do have. For sure.
Oh, vegetable.
Yeah, put it there, please. Wala na tayong space dito sa cart ko. Huh? Walan. What do you mean walan? Oh, no, 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 not on the vegetables. No, not there. Ask Holly to hold it. And Kailangan ko yun ng avocado oil kasi paubos na yun. What? Canola? Canola, no, we're good. Here's that. Meron tayong shampoo tsaka conditioner.
On that one.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but I thought you were...
Is it shampoo? Is that shampoo? Conditioner. What's that? What's that one? Shampoo? Alright. Shampoo and conditioner. Okay. Okay. Just put it, put it here. Dito. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. Ay, ang bigat na nito. Come on, Holly. Stay here. Stay here. Is it? Okay. Here na lang. Punta ko sa mga ano, dun sa detergent para sa ating mga labahan. Okay, wait lang ha. Stay there. Kuha muna tayo nitong isa. Kuha tayo nitong isa. Isa rin nito. Ang babango ng amoy nila. And isa nito. O, diba? Paano natin to dadalhin? Wait lang. Kamusta yung dalawa? Yes, please. Thank you. Yeah, put the bag first. Thank you. Okay. Where's the other one, Baba? Put it here. All the chips first. Yeah, you can hold this one. Holly, give it to the guy. Fruits and veggies. Okay, that's enough for now. And more fruit puff. Yeah, just put next to it. No, it's alright. It's so much water. Do you have any cheese? Okay, more here. Okay, this one's the egg is here, Tata. Thank you. Okay, come on. Here's that. Oh.
No. Holly can carry that.
No, this is heavy. That's heavy, Zach. That's heavy. That's heavy for Holly. That's all heavy. It's alright. I'll put it here. That's all heavy. Okay, we're done, guys. We're going home. Inunahan nila ako. Nandito lang pala sila. Come on. Come on, Baba. Let's go. Wait for me, okay? We're gonna cross the road. Wow, first time natin malalagyan ng grocery shopping bags. Grocery shopping bags. Groceries. Itong ating bag. Ha? Ay, bag. Car. TV?
Yeah, like Auntie Noah's house.
I don't think so. Daddy will put TV. Yeah, he will never. Because Daddy wants you to look outside. Yeah.
He will always say no.
No. Okay. Ready, Zach?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. This is our first bag.
Mom, I'm cold.
Are you hot now? Well, you've been running.
Mom, it was actually fun.
Alright, here.
Wait, just wait. I need to see what this is like.
Don't touch anything, sir, because I don't know how to. No.
I know how to put it back.
Yeah.
I want to see what it looks like.
Oh my God. Zach, it's alright, okay? Next time, Zach, we have to go because Daddy needs the car.
Ready? Holly, pull that. Whoa, pull that. Love you, Mom.
Put it back. I told you not to do it because I don't know how to put it back.
Pull that. No, I'm good.
So what? I told you it's different from the old car.
What's in that?
Well, I don't know. So we have to put things. We have a lot to put, Zach. That's why I told you not to touch it. Not to touch it. You don't listen to me.
I'm sorry, Mom.
No, how you? I don't accept your sorry because we have a lot of stuff to put in.
I'll clean that. Hold on.
Hurry up, Zach. What did you do?
I did. I
Press? Okay. Okay, come on.
do it like you went like.
Yeah, alright. Okay, now this one first. Okay. The water first up.
Maybe just put them in there. Dad, did you have
Yeah.
to push that?
You have to put it all the way back. Here. This one first. Honey, help please.
Is this the hot Cheetos one?
Here, the cheetah's here. Come on, mag-robot na tayo.
No back.
Okay.
Stop. Oh, you see it now? You can put some in that one.
Okay, I think it's alright. I will put that one here. Come on. No, not yet, Zach. We have to put this one. We have two more there at the back. And this one.
I got the scratch one.
This one. Where are we gonna put this one?
I got one more.
This is the big
Yeah, now we can put
heavy.
that.
Ayan, napagkasya natin sila dito lahat. Okay. pa pala tayo dito sa Baker's Delight para sa ating sliced bread. Okay, come on. Order na tayo ng sliced bread. Si Sak gusto niya ng pineapple dito sa She's Apples. Wala sa Coles na pineapple. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng pineapple. Ito. Si Sak favorite niya ang pineapple.
Look at this.
What's that?
Rainbow.
Sana ripe na siya, no? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Hinahanap ko yung aking favorite na yung bali na ano ba yun? Oats. Ito meron pa ako dito sa bahay. Napakita ko na yun sa inyo before yung
They're gonna get the car.
we have to go home. Let's go. Wala sila. Nasa na kaya? Ubos na siguro. Bahay na kami, guys. Yes, that's all. Oh. Okay, here's Zach. Zach. You're welcome. Alright. Put away time. And magluluto pa ako ng steak.
The Christmas tree.
Ang dami-dami na ipaput away. And si Jan, bago ako umalis, sabi ko, kuha niya ako kay Aling Betty na rosemary. Kasi nga, mag-ano tayo guys? Mag-steak. Hindi pa. Tingnan niyo ang ating herbs. Buhay na buhay pa sila. Eh, natuyo na. O, tamang-tama natuyo na. Didiligan ko na sila. So, ganun na lang ang gagawin ko. Pag umaalis kami, maglalagay ako ng tubig dyan. Para hindi sila ma-dry. Okay? Ito yung ating freezer ko to.
That you bought, Mum?
What container? Oh, I put the grapes there. So.
Yeah, put the grapes in.
No, later. I'll do that later. Okay, just here. Gustong-gusto ni Jan. Nakailang balik din si Jan. Kuha siya ng kuha. Ang sarap nitong grapes. Hala, tagilid kayo guys. Tutulungan ako ng boys. Sila mag-put away ng mga snacks nila.
One breaks that. What happens?
Ano yung sako? The grapes. The strawberry. Huh? The strawberry. Okay. This one, Sak. Why don't you put this one?
Okay, I wanted this.
Okay. Put it, TJ, please. That's going to the laundry room. Except this oil.
Where is those?
What are you looking for?
These packets?
Okay. Dito yung mga snacks nila.
I haven't moved on.
Okay. The Oreos. Oh. Yung mga meat, ilagay ko muna sa fridge. Gasa you guys, ha? Parang malulobot tayo. Malulog. Ikat ko na pala.
White one. I'm just gonna chop all the other one.
What's the other one? What's that? No. Stop. That one's still alright. Ano ka ba?
So
Wait.
what?
No, this is, we just got that like before we left. It's still alright, that one. I-check niya na yung ano. Sawa na sila sa ano nga, sabi ko sa inyo dun sa Teddy. I-check na talaga ni Sak. Ito, bukas ko na lang sila. Nalobat na kayo, guys. So, nagpalit tayo ng battery. Yung sinasabi ko, yung mga meat, kunti lang naman yung nabili natin na meat. Yung yung chicken breast, bukas ko na lang sila i-separate na bag. Kasi madami to guys. Ano na? 4:35 na. Magluluto pa ako. So, bukas ko na lang ito gagalawin. Gagalawin.
What's the way?
Ilagay ko muna dyan. What are you seeing, sir? Where's the other meat? Not here. Yung mga ito po. Ayan, yung mga, kasi yung chicken. Mostly chicken yung nabili natin yung meat. Ang ito, grabe ko kumain ng space sa fridge. Sobrang laki niya. Ilabas muna natin ito. Ilabas muna natin.
These are washed.
Yes, that's all wash.
That's cool.
Yeah. Wash your hands. Si Kuya, kinakain niyo na yung
Oh,
pasalubong.
Mom, that's what you should do. Cut the end.
No, you don't have to because it's not gonna be fresh.
Mama, honest.
Are you done putting away all the snacks?
Yeah.
Okay, put away ko muna to guys. Save natin yung ibang memory card. Memory card, yung SD card. Kasi konti na lang naman to. Baka full na naman tayo. Basta yung magpuput away lang ako. Ilalagay ko lang yan sa fridge. Kuya, wrap it or wash it please. Tapos na sila mag-put away. Thank you, boys. Tapos na ako mag-put away, guys. And nag-chop na ako ng potatoes. Ayan. Pinapakulaan ko na. 4:55. And yung dito ko nilagay yung ating bunnies na milk chocolate for now. Kasi yung wrap natin ay puno. Oh, wala na siyang space dito. So, yan na yung itsura ng ating fridge. Bukas, yung mga meat na yan, ilalagay yan sa freezer. Pero, i-divide ko pa sila. I-divide. So, yan. Yung iba nasa yung ibang fruits nasa kabilang fridge. Eto, labas na natin kasi luluto na tayo ng steak. Ang gagawin ko na lang pala ay yung tinapay mamaya. Nandito yung remote kasi. Nanood ako ng YouTube kanina habang nagpo-put away tayo. Nakikinig lang pala, hindi ako nakapanood. So, yan. Mamaya, i-divide ko rin yan. Kasi ilalagay ko rin yan sa freezer. Kasi hindi naman natin mauubos sa isang araw. Okay? Habang nagpo-put away ako, after na mga boys magawa yung kanilang
Did you find any black stuff to put in the car?
What black stuff?
That's non-slip.
No.
You said you might have some.
The black one. Yeah. I will check on. Gusto niya yung parang black na ano ba yun? Rubber. Meron ko noon. Pero, hindi ko alam kung saan ko nilagay. So, tinatanong kung mayroon. So, kanina, after ng boys, ma-put away yung mga snacks nila, nag-kick sila ng footy. Si Jang, kararating lang niya. Dinala niya yung car kung saan niya ipapaservice na lagyan ng yung mga electrical para sa caravan, makakonect yung caravan. Gets nyo ba yung sinasabi ko, guys? Sana na-gets nyo. Kasi, sa May, when is TJ's foodie sack? In Adelaide?
22nd of May.
Yeah. 22nd of May, magka-caravan tayo. Kasi si Kuya, di ba? Nakapasok si Kuya sa Sapsasa, footy. So, how many days? 3 days? Yeah, 3 days. Pero magstay ata kami 4 or 5 days. So, we'll stay. Pero magka-caravan tayo. Hindi ko pa tapos yung caravan life natin, guys. Mayroon na naman tayong parating na caravan life. So, tingnan natin kasi updated tayo ngayon. Walang ganap yung caravan life namin sa Queensland. Yun ang ating i-edit after ng mga updated vlogs. Tapusin ko lang to. Itong ating updated vlogs. Kasi may ganap naman tayo, di ba? So, mag-ano lang ako ng garlic. Mag-pressed. Mag-pressed. Hanapin ko lang ito na yun. So, hindi ko ito babalatan. Kasi ilalagay natin ito sa ibabaw. Or sa gilid. Meron tayo dito, guys, yung kinuha ni Jan. Kuha tayo ng konti. Yan na yung pan para sa ating steak. Nilagay na natin yung rosemary at garlic. Tapos, yung gamit kong oil is yung avocado oil. Lagay na natin yung steak. Ang bango, guys. Ang bango ito. Binaliktad ko na yung dalawa. Ang sarap ng amoy. Ang bango. Tapos na ako magluto, guys. Ayan na yung ating steak and ang ating kids. Ayan yung mga kids. Ayan, meron tayong carrots and peas, gravy, mashed potato, and gamit na natin yung bago natin binili sa IKEA. Okay, let's eat!
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far.
Tapos na si John. Kumuha pa siya ng konti kay Kuyang steak kasi hindi mauubos ni Kuya. Yeah, sorry. Puno yung bibig ko nung nagsasalita. And ito yung ininom ng mga bata. Masarap siya. Low sugar. Hindi talaga siya matamis. Good, Zach? Hindi siya na gravy. Yes.
This drink tastes like yogurt strawberry to me.
Yeah, there is strawberries.
But not yogurt.
Not yogurt.
Tastes like yogurt.
Okay. Ako yung huling natapos, guys. Ayan. Hindi ko naubos yung mashed potato, pero naubos ko yung rice and ubos yung steak. Nakaligo na po pala ang lahat ng bata. Ayan. Si Holly nag-acrobat na naman siya. We're gonna close the vlog na, guys. Close the vlog, Kuya. Close the vlog.
Thank you. Please like, please subscribe. See you next vlog. Bye.
Good night, guys. Ano naman yung vlog. Papahinga lang ako. Ay, si Holly. Say, Holly, good night. Good night.
Because I think I do want you next to me.